Well, hello everyone. This is a lost chapter. I actually replaying this part because the last time I was streaming it for some reason just crashed, and I don't know, it's like a really light game. Like it shouldn't have crashed for him. It should be easier than the other times. So let's just jump into it. God damn it. I'm gonna challenge you! No. It wasn't that hard. I remember that. I am dumb. No! Also, other thing, if you don't want to challenge them like I did, as soon as I get here, you for example just stand here and try to walk past them, they insult you. I imagine that was an insult. You go back and have to challenge them anyway. The music is awesome. Come on. Really? I'm going to lose that fast? Yes, I did. I lose that fast. Challenge! I challenge you! Damn it. No, I was too far away. No! Jump! Come on, come on. No, no, no! Yes, I beat one. I need to beat 3 of them. No! No! What? That wasn't fair. That was definitely I cannot say that word. I'm here again. Fight me. No, 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 no. What? This is cruel. This is cruel. No! Oof. that was brutal. Challenge! Let me be a healthy bug boy. Heal, heal, heal. Dash. Ah! No! I panic. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Everything is easy. No! No! That was way worse than before. I'm here again! Challenge! Enough time to properly heal from any of these attacks. It's gruesome, it's continuous, I cannot avoid them. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah, baby! No! No! Challenge! Stop! Please! No, 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 no! Ah, I was so close. I know I was close. I'm here! Challenge again! No! I was... this time I wasn't even close to beat them. I'm here again! Challenge! No, 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 no. I was close. That was but a mere scratch. Fight me again. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. We can... Yes, one done. No, they went... They didn't go where I was expecting to. Ah, come on, I need to heal. I can't. Come on, come on, I can do it. I can do it. Yes! 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 I did! Finally! I beat you! Yes! Bow before me and my mightiness! Yes, 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 yes. I am superior. Hey, hello. This place give me the creeps. Especially just creatures pass out all over the place, and the passages are dark, twisted maze. Unless you're well prepared, I urge you to leave. So, if you are feeling strong enough to descend, would you like to buy my map? Okay. Hmm. Mark of Pride? What is that? Freely given by the mantis tribe to those they respect. Damn! Greatly increases the range of the bearer nail, allowing them to strike foes from further away. It's a good charm, a really good charm. Rest. Well, I'm going to end the stream right here and right now. It was a good stream. I could beat the mantis lords. I'm going to edit the video, and then after that you are going to see the fight and how to get the charm. Everything is in this same place, so you are not going to get lost if you get to this place. Also, I found Deep Nest, which is a really bad place if I don't misremember. Let's read what they got to say about Mantis Lords. Leaders of the Mantis tribes and its finest warriors, they bear thin nail lances and attack with blinding speed. The Mantis tribe and the bugs of old hollowness had no love for each other. The Mantises outlived their rivals. Though, thought their rivals too. So no, I don't know how to pronounce that. And their civilization still stands. Well, they are one of the few civilizations on all hollowness that are still alive and thriving. As you can see, all the mantises don't have any of those weird fungi things or those marks on them. Well, that's it. I'm going to end here. Bye bye.